About TruGreen. You may have seen a TruGreen truck rolling through your neighborhood and wondered what the company actually does. TruGreen provides lawn care services for residential and commercial real estate. If you are considering TruGreen for some more part of your landscape maintenance needs, you may want to learn more about it. Profile. TruGreen is not actually an independent company but part of a line of services offered by the ServiceMaster brand. ServiceMaster provides a range of home maintenance services such as termite and pest control, house cleaning and homeowners insurance. The TruGreen division specializes in general landscaping and tree/shrub maintenance. Lawn care. The lawn care services provided by TruGreen target the two usual problems with a person's yard: the aesthetic appearance and garden fertilization. TruGreen claims to guarantee the satisfaction of its lawn care services by offering to tend to a lawn until the customer is happy, or if it cannot solve your problem adequately, money back on your lawn treatment. Trees and shrubs. Trees can be some of the hardest and most expensive part of yard maintenance. TruGreen's tree and shrub care offers to feed and maintain or improve the health of your woody plants. TruGreen's policies on tree and shrub care can also include pest and disease control of woody plants in certain areas or regions. Like most of the services offered, this also comes with a guarantee. BBB Rating. TruGreen is a Better Business Bureau accredited business and has received an average of A on a scale of F to A. Some consumers complain that TruGreen does not carefully make the customer aware that services are provided weekly unless agreed to otherwise. The Washington State TruGreen division faced a state accusation that it overbilled customers and refused to cancel service, but this appears to have been the actions of a rogue executive. Other services. TruGreen often works in tandem with other divisions of ServiceMaster to solve lawn issues that are not covered in its normal plans. Fire ants and other lawn pests are eliminated through the TruShield fire ant control services. TruGreen also offers to maintain lawn pH balances, and fix poor drainage problems and soil degradation,